Okay, about to step out into Blizzard 2016 with the dogs who want to go out really bad but will change their mind. Go, Gonzo, go! Come on, go! Can't just stand there in the door. That it's, holy cow. Okay, right there underneath that is a bunch of 3-gallon delivered bottled waters and some, because I get my water delivered. So underneath this big mound of snow, which is clearly like, gotta be 2 feet deep because those bottles of water are deep. Yeah, I'm up to my knees in snow right now. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I don't know how I'm ever going to get out of here. How the hell am I going to get out of here? Yeah, way up to my knees. Dogs are sinking in up to their knees too. Look at them. They're having so much fun. Hey, you guys! Come on! This is the only time if they knock me down, I won't be afraid to get hurt. What's going on, huh? The birds are still out. It's still blowing, but it's not blowing as hard as I guess it was. Okay, so I cleaned this driveway out. Look at, yep. It's about probably... Hey! Come on! That's far enough, come on! Hey, you guys, come on! Let's take my glove off to whistle. Woohoo! Is that fun? Is that fun? Did you go catch something in the snow? Run, 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 go, go, go. Go get it. No, I shouldn't say that. I don't want you running off. Hey, Winston. So what do you think about the snow, huh? Is it pretty cool? Let's go down here a little ways. See if we lost any trees. Ooh. You can hear that one creaking as it blows. Power lines look okay, but that branch is all around it, so. This is my driveway. This is my driveway. I have to shovel all the way to the road down there. Yeah, that's not happening. you guys. Come on. Yep, this isn't going to be any fun. I'm going to go get in the truck and see if I can make my way down the driveway. I love watching them run in the snow. It's great. What are you guys doing, huh? Wow, this is worse than walking in sand up to your knees. Get tired out pretty quick. Alright, I'm shutting it off because I'm just getting out of breath and come on, you guys, let's go. I know you're having fun, but you're just going to end up covered with, like it's going to hurt your feet. I hope I get the truck out. Come on, puppy.